The Linode dashboard allows us to perform a number of actions on our server. Under the dashboard heading, we can see a listing of all our configuration profiles. We can edit or remove them as well. Removing a configuration profile will permanently delete all the disks associated with the profile. To the right of our dashboard table, we can see a server status panel. This tells us if the server is on or powered off. Since our server is powered off, let's go ahead and turn it on by clicking the boot button. In your host job queue, you'll see that we've sent a system boot request, and we can see the status bar. So the system has now been booted. Under the disks heading, we can see a list of the devices that are attached to this configuration. We currently have 2 items, and each can be edited or removed. Once a disk is removed, all its data is permanently deleted. We can create a new disk only if we have available space under our existing plan. To check the amount of disk space you have remaining, check under the storage panel. We can see here that we've allocated all the free space in our existing plan to our current disk. In the network panel, we can monitor how much bandwidth we've used out of our allocation. So our total allocation is 2,000 gigabytes, and we can see the incoming, outgoing, and total. Under the graphs heading, there are a number of graphical illustrations for CPU and bandwidth usage. The data will become available once there's activity on your server. Now remember that while your server is running, you are charged the hourly rate for your server. To turn off the server, click the Shut Down button. You can also restart the server by clicking the Reboot button. When your server is off, you are no longer billed.